So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another perfume, guys. Again I have another version of Shakira Eau de Perfume, Eau de Toilette Natural Spray, 80 ml, 2.7 ounce, something as this. Shakira S is written. Beautiful looking box from Spain. Original, it's authentic Spanish product. You see here, made in China, no Chinese product. Okay, here, lovely, great. So beautiful pack. I'm gonna take this off from here. If you want to give somebody as a gift, your girlfriend, your wife, family member, your mother, you can buy this one. Lovely. So I'm taking this off from middle. Take out all, be careful, should not drop, can break. Okay, I take this off from here. Beautiful, you see, lovely, it's elegant, the design, lovely, how beautiful it is. You can see Shakira S is written. Wow, spray here, lovely. At the bottom more things is written. Shakira original, this one. There could be many duplicate Chinese version, but I'm in Spain now, so I bought the original one from Amazon. Comment 4.8 to 4.9 put here to smell. I think it has something as a lock as well. You move, you have to unlock. This is a lock, you take out. Wow, beautiful. Then you put, wow, very elegant smell it has. Believe me, you have to buy to try. Lovely smell, flower. It's a flower natural smell, and when not using this, you will put back. Wow, beautiful, guys, very high quality smell. Look at the pattern, how it is, the design, very unique design of this, not a common perfume design, very unique design it has. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.